Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule K-1 Form 1065. This form is essential for partners in a partnership, as it details your share of the partnership's financial activity. It's not just an informational document, it directly impacts your personal tax obligations. We'll go through each section to help you understand and correctly use this important tax form for your individual return. Let's dive into the key sections of Schedule K-1. Part 1 covers the partnership's details, including its name, address, and employer identification number. Part 2 focuses on you, the partner, listing your name, address, and social security number. Finally, Part 3 is the core, presenting your allocated share of the partnership's income, losses, deductions, and credits, which we will explore further. Now, let's look at some common items you'll find in Part 3. Box 1 is crucial, showing your share of the partnership's ordinary business income or loss. Box 4 will report any guaranteed payments you received, which are payments made regardless of partnership income. Also, Box 14 is important for calculating your self-employment tax, detailing your net earnings from self-employment. Understanding these boxes is key. Finally, let's discuss how to report this information on your personal tax return. The data from your Schedule K-1 is directly used to complete various parts of your Form 1040. For instance, your share of ordinary business income or loss from Box 1 is typically reported on Schedule E. Additionally, your net earnings from self-employment in Box 14 will be used to complete Schedule SE. Accuracy here ensures proper tax compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.